Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the language of business. Today, we're diving into a report from MAIA Biotechnology, and trust me, this isn't your average health update. It's got potential game-changing news about cancer treatment and a few financial realities that'll keep things interesting. Let's get started. This report, officially called an 8K, dropped on February 27, 2025. Companies use these reports to quickly share important news with investors. The big news here is that MAIA Biotechnology announced the start of a Phase 3 trial. Now, if you're not in the medical field, Phase 3 might sound like something from a sci-fi movie. What it really means is that they are starting the last phase of trials, which often means that the drug can be available very soon. This trial is for their treatment called THIO, which is used in a specific order with another type of treatment that helps the immune system to fight cancer, called a checkpoint inhibitor. This kind of combined therapy could be a new way to attack cancer. The details about this trial were shared in a press release, which is like a news announcement. It's included with this report as Exhibit 99.1, so anyone interested can read all the details about what is being done. Now, before we get too excited, the company includes something called forward-looking statements. These are basically warnings that say, hey, we're making predictions about the future, but things might not go as planned. It's a standard thing for companies to include. They're saying that anything that looks like a prediction about what will happen, you need to take with a grain of salt. Things can change because of risks and uncertainties, which is just another way of saying things might not work out. The company lists a bunch of things that could mess up their plans. Things such as how much money they have, any advancement they could make, the risk of regulation, manufacturing, and how people accept it are big risk factors in the health and biotech industries. This is extremely important since any of these things can completely make or break any company, so it's important to keep an eye on all of these things. Okay, moving on, the company includes some extra documents called exhibits. The main one is that press release about the clinical trial, giving more information about the development. Finally, at the end, there is a sign-off, which is signed by Vlad Vidok, the Chief Executive Officer. This is just to show that the company stands behind what's in the report. Now, let's zoom out and get a broader picture. MAIA Biotechnology is at a really interesting point, with this Phase 3 trial possibly being a game-changer in cancer treatment. But, like any company, they're facing risks, and it's important to see how they handle these difficulties. For MAIA, the success of the THIO treatment is critical, but so is handling cash flow and managing the costs of these extensive trials. It's a tough balance, as many biotech companies struggle with. Overall, MAIA has potential but is a high-risk, high-reward situation right now. It will be important to see how they perform in the coming months. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis useful, please subscribe, like, and comment.